Okay, welcome to this video of surface area, and again from the chapter review for the surface area, this time focusing on cylinders. So we're going to do just three, and this before we start is the formula of the surface area of cylinders. That is part of the formula sheet. It's part of the test. So there's just to remind us now. Okay, part C. This one is open at one end. Okay, so that means that we can still use this part, but this is the circle, so we're going to need one of them, because one end's closed and one's open, so just 1 pi r squared plus 2 pi RH. That gives us the area of the curved surface. Okay, so pi r squared first. There's our radius. So we're doing pi times 2.7 squared plus 2 pi times 2.7 times 4.8. And I think I can put all that in one hit on a calculator. Let's try. Let's move it over here. Clear. So pi times 2.7 squared plus 2 pi times 2.7 times 4.8. Done. Equals, let's get it back, 104.3, that'll do. It didn't give us a unit, so we'll just leave it at that. How easy was that? Okay, part D, a little bit trickier. There's the formula there. What we need to do with this one, the composite shape, we're going to have to do the surface area of the top and the bottom. Now I'm assuming that all this around here is surface. So the way to do that one is to do the area of the large circle, which is pi r squared. Alright, let's just remove that. What's r? Large circle area, oh here we are, 50, radius is half of that, so 25. Minus, oh no, that's going to be too complicated. Let's just get rid of that. Let's do that first. Pi times 25 squared. And then we're going to take away from that one the area of the inside small circle, and that's radius, oh that's diameter, so radius is 10. Let's try that one. Pi, clear that. Pi times 25 squared minus pi times 10 squared. And good, and then there's 2 of them, so times 2. $3298. I'll go to 0.7. 3298.7. That covers that little shade of it there, the same down there. Okay, now we do the curve surface of the big one. I'll just put that there so they'll just remember I've done that bit. Curve surface of the outside is pi times the radius times the height. That's the curve surface of the large one. Pi times the radius times the height. 3926. We rounded up to 3927. Okay, put that in a circle. Very good. Now the inside circle, which curved surface. That's pi times radius, which is 10. Same height, 50. One 1570.8. There we are. Okay, did that cover every surface? Let me just check. That's the top and bottom. That's the curved surface around the outside, curved surface around the inside. That's it. And we just add those up. Three, 298.7 plus 3927 plus 1570.8. Big number. 8796.5. And it's centimeters squared. And that's the answer, finally. As you can see, the surface areas can sometimes take a while. Now this one. Perhaps you might like to pause the video at this point and have a go yourself, and then press play when you're ready to have a look at how I go. Okay, press pause now if you want, and unpause when you're done. Okay, part F. Let's put that in here. We have half a cylinder and most of a rectangular prism. Okay, that's part F. Well, let's do the rectangular prism first. We've got those four walls and the bottom. We'll do the bottom first. Is 34 times 18. This wall here facing us, and the one behind is the same, and that's 34 times, so wall, 34 times 25, that's there, and the one behind, so that's times 2. And then we have the front and back. $18 times 25 times 2, because the front and back are the same. Okay, now while I'm going here, I'm going to do this cylinder. We'll start with the top of this curved surface here. Now that's pi r squared normally, but it's only half of them, but there's two halves. So it actually, really, when you put them together, that's a full circle. Half a circle, half a circle. So we can do pi r squared. What's r? Well, that's That's the diameter, so radius is only half of that, 9. Yep, that'll do, because that's half a circle, put them together as a whole circle, pi r squared. Pi times 9 squared, 254, that'll do, 254.5. And now this one here is half, because it's only halfway around. It's not a full cylinder. Half times pi times the radius, 9, times the height, 34. Okay. Half times pi times 9 times 34. 480.7. Okay, I better do that in red because that's completed. So I have to do these ones. 34 times 18. 612. 34 times 25 times 2. 1700. 18 times 25 times 2, 900. That one's complete, so all them. Okay. 612 plus 900 plus 254 480.7. Final answer 3947.2. Centimeters squared.